Today, I'm spilling a 5-star secret straight from the heart of a top-notch steakhouse. First up, grab about half a pound beef steak and pierce it all over with a fork. This helps the flavors soak in. Now, place it in a bowl and pour in 1 1/4 cups of soy sauce. Then add the steak, a teaspoon of peppercorn, 3 bay leaves, and 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. Cover it up and let the meat marinate for a solid 30 minutes. Once the flavors have mingled, heat a large skillet over medium to low heat and melt 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Toss in a teaspoon of dried rosemary, then lay the marinated steak into the skillet. Cook until it's golden brown on both sides. Plate it up with a side of creamy mashed potatoes. And enjoy your life. Bye-bye. I learned this from a Chinese young lady. First, grab about half pound of your favorite beef cut and slice it up. Transfer those pieces to a medium bowl and season with 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and a pinch of black pepper. Crack in a whole egg, then add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and a drizzle of olive oil. Now, heat up a skillet over medium heat, drizzle of olive oil, and add the marinated beef. Fry until golden brown, then set it aside. In the same skillet, add another drizzle of olive oil. Toss in half of a red bell pepper strips. Next, add half of a medium, thinly sliced onion and cook until golden brown. Add the meat back into the skillet along with 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of white vinegar, and a pinch of sugar. Cornstarch with 2 tablespoons of water. Toss in 3 crushed garlic cloves and keep sautéing for another minute. Finish by transferring everything to a plate and adding fresh parsley to taste. This tender, delicious beef is ready to serve and enjoy. See you next recipe. Bye-bye. I've discovered a technique that will elevate your ribs to a whole new level. Start by cutting 3 1/2 pounds of beef ribs into desired pieces. Place in a container and pour 1 cup of milk over them. Take it to refrigerator and let it marinate for 1 hour. Transfer all the meat to a large pan. Add enough water to cover the ribs. Bring to a simmer and cook for 1 hour and 30 minutes. Or until tender. Meanwhile, chop 3 medium onions, 3 medium carrots, and 1 pound potatoes. Remove ribs from broth and set aside. Add 3 tablespoons tomato paste, 1 teaspoon salt. Stir to combine. Return ribs to the baking dish and season with some salt, black pepper, and pinch of sweet paprika. Add mixed seasoning and now add all the chopped vegetables, broth, and season with salt and pepper to taste. Finally, bake everything in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. Serve hot and enjoy. Bye-bye. Chinese secret to tenderizing meat. Even the toughest meat becomes tender in 5 minutes. Start by cutting 1 kilo of beef. Next, transfer them to a large bowl. Add 500 milliliters of milk and let them soak for 20 minutes. In a medium saucepan, add 30 milliliters of olive oil, 80 grams of unsalted butter. Remove the pieces of beef from the milk and transfer them to the saucepan. Let them fry until golden brown. Remove the beef from the saucepan. Add 1 onion chopped into cubes, half a teaspoon of sweet paprika, 3 crushed garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon of salt, a pinch of black pepper, add 30 grams of mustard, 30 milliliters of soy sauce, and stir. Add all the fried beef, stir until incorporated 200 milliliters of water and cook for 30 minutes. Make a mixture of 2 tablespoons of cornstarch with 100 milliliters of water. Add parsley and chives to taste. It's ready. Now love your life. Tonight's your lucky night. We're about to unlock the secret to the most flavorful, melt-in-your-mouth steak you've ever had. It all starts with a killer marinade. First up, pour in 1 full cup of soy sauce. Next, add a generous sprinkle of brown sugar, a squeeze or 2 of raw honey. It will add a touch of floral sweetness and helps tenderize the meat. Finally, throw in a good amount of minced garlic. Give it a good whisk. Slide those beautiful steaks right into the marinade, ensuring they're fully coated. Seal up the container and let them marinate in flavor heaven for 4-5 hours. Now, fire up your grill to a scorching 500 degrees. Carefully place your steaks on the grates and cook them until they reach an internal temperature of 130 degrees for a perfect medium rare. Once you take the steaks off the grill, let them rest 10 minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute throughout the meat, ensuring a juicy and flavorful bite. And there you have it, the most incredible steak you've ever tasted. Subscribe for more recipes.